All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And to all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information and nothing less from my end to your guys' end. Let's jump into this chart. So very sideways movement today. Um, Great attempt here, as we could see, by the bulls to break through the 50-day moving average, but they couldn't quite do it. They got rejected from there, and the highest point that it reached was 662, and weren't able to break through resistance. At least they were able to use the support of 619, which is important. But let's move this to their new locations. So our support now is slightly above, and our resistance has slightly fell. It's the highest point of the day today, and also the 50-day moving average is in the middle of all this. It's very important to pay close attention to the 50-day moving average because right now the bears are slightly in control, but they can lose it if the bulls just push hard, rally up on stocks, load up on stocks. But by crossing that 50-day moving average does not guarantee that the bulls have gained control until they break the resistance of 663. This is the most important point right now for the bulls. They need to turn that into support so they can work their way up further away from the 50-day moving average and hit newer highs and break through new resistance levels. But our 50-day moving average is 644. I'd write that down. Very important right now to know who's going to be dominating this. Are the bears going to be dominating this or the bulls? 644 is our 50-day moving average. After closing at 638, on the other spectrum of things, the bears. The bears are going to want to continue to gain control. And their goal is to break through the lowest point here after this leveling off is 633. If the bears are able to break through 633, I'd pay very close attention to the behavior of this stock because the bears could be pulling this one further down from the 50-day moving average of 644 to test new lows and lower support levels. Yesterday's support is just as important again because if 633 gets broken through, I'd pay very close attention to how quickly is it getting close to yesterday's support level for today, which was 619. 619 is significant because that's the lowest point from yesterday's trading day, but it's also a support level that can signify that this will test new lows and new levels of support because obviously in the last couple of days after the slight recoveries from this dip and leveling off, this was the lowest point, and now 633 is the lowest point after the bulls slightly recovering. So we're going to have to see if the bulls can continue this momentum and break through the 50-day moving average. But if 633 gets broken through, I'd pay close attention to it and how quickly is it getting close to 619, because if 619 gets broken through, two support levels have been broken through, and the bears have brought this further away from the 50-day moving average in a downward direction, ready to test newer lows and lower support levels. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you guys feel inclined or encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click the bell by turning on all notifications to not miss a single video that I post, as well as all my subscribers. Double check if you've clicked on the bell by turning on all notifications so that you guys can always be up to date on every single chart analysis that I post. You won't miss a single one. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.